Hello and welcome to the 286th edition of the Sholini TV Weekly News Bulletin. I am Divyanshi and as always bring you inspiring highlights and vibrant stories from our campus. Let's first take a look at this week's top headlines. Session on Marketing and Communication held. Theatre artist Juhi Babar Soni mesmerizes with her soulful play. 85th birthday of the chairperson of the Sholini Foundation celebrated. Interdepartmental Cricket Tournament 2025 attracts huge response. Sholini University hosted an insightful talk on building your career in marketing and communication for the tech and AI world by Dr. Falguni Vaswada, Professor of Marketing and Co-Chair and BP at MICA. Here's Lisa with more details.
Sholini University hosted a session on building your career in marketing and communication for the tech and AI world by Dr. Falguni Vasavada, Professor of Marketing and Co-Chair MDPA at MICA. Dr. Vasavada has over 27 years of teaching experience in marketing and advertising. She has trained corporate professionals and mentors young entrepreneurs in areas like advertisement, marketing, customer understanding, branding and social media. She has published in international journals, presented papers at national and international conferences, and is involved in international joint research projects. Dr. Vasavada conducted the session on the building careers in marketing and communication for the tech and AI world, guiding students on how to succeed in a changing professional landscape. She emphasized that AI cannot replace human ideas. While some jobs are disappearing, new opportunities are emerging in areas where human creativity and insights are essential. Dr. Vasavada shared the various careers paths in marketing, from marketing strategists to content creation managers, highlighting the skills needed to be succeed. She stressed the importance of observation, knowing your brand. She also highlighted the importance of being data-friendly, extroverted, culture-aware, and connected to your brand. Using examples from Mia, Tanish, and Amazon Go advertisements, she showed how brands engage their audience and connect emotionally, and that observation and interaction with the public and crucial to understanding needs of the customers. With her engaging presence and the practical insight, Dr. Falguni Vasavada encouraged students to view marketing as a people-centered, creative field where observation, understanding, and strategic thinking drive success.
Thank you, Lisa. From the world of marketing to the world of theatre, creativity continues to shine bright at Sholini. Acclaimed theatre artist Juhi Babar Soni brought to life a love story through her performance of Ek Lamha Zindagi. Over to Abhijit for the story.
Acclaimed theatre artist Juhi Babar Soni brought to life a moving and unforgettable love story in her latest theatrical presentation, Ek Lamha Zindagi, a love story 1938 to 1979, staged at Sholini University. The play, which has also premiered to audiences across India, captivated viewers with its blend of emotion, poetry, patriotism and human connection, tracing the journey of two extraordinary souls, Sajjad and Razia, the maternal grandparents of Juhi Babar Soni. At Sholini University, the play was organized as part of the institution's commitment to offering a multidisciplinary approach to education. The full house at the open-air theatre reflected the enthusiasm among students for good theatre. Through evocative storytelling and heartfelt performances, the production portrayed a timeless love story between a man deeply devoted to his nation and a woman who loved him for that very passion. Ek Lamha Zindagi stood as a tribute not only to Juhi Babar Soni's grandparents, but also to the enduring spirit of love that transcends generation. The performance reaffirmed the strength of human emotion and profound connection between art, memory, and legacy.
Thanks, Abhijit. And now to a moment of gratitude and celebration. Sholini University celebrated the 85th birthday of Mrs. Saroj Khosla, President of the Foundation for Life Sciences and Business Management, which manages Sholini University. Here's Samriti with the details.
Sholini University celebrated the 85th birthday of Mrs. Saroj Khosla, President of the Foundation for Life Sciences and Business Management, with great warmth and a reference on its campus on Saturday. The occasion marked not only a personal milestone but also a moment of gratitude and admiration for her enduring contribution to education and institutional development. The day started with a traditional puja at the Shulini temple on the campus. She also laid the foundation stone for the new hostel block at Shulini University, symbolizing the university's continued growth and its commitment to creating a vibrant and inclusive residential community for. Addressing the gathering, Mrs. Khosla inspired the faculty and staff to pursue their dreams with determination and hard work. At the age of 85, she continues to work and exemplify the dedication, discipline, and composition.
Thanks, Samriti. And now for celebrations to sportsmanship. The Interdepartmental Cricket Tournament 2025 brought energy and excitement to Yuvraj Stadium. Let's join Janvi for the highlights.
Shulini University organized an interdepartmental cricket team tournament 2025 at Yuvraj Stadium, Shulini University. The week-long event featured 8 departmental teams competing with teamwork, discipline, and enthusiasm. The tournament was coordinated by Mr. Vikrant Chauhan, Assistant Professor under the guidance of Dr. Neeraj Gandodra, Associate Dean, Student Welfare. After a series of competitive matches, the Faculty of Engineering and Technology won the tournament, while the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences finishes up as runner-up. The prizes were given away by Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla and Professor J.M. Julga, who presented trophies and medals to the winning teams. Individual awards were given to Ankit, to both the player of the tournament and best bowler, Abhay as the best batter of the tournament, and Ashish as the best wicket keeper of the tournament. The Interdepartmental Cricket Tournament 2025 truly showcased the sporting spirit, unity and enthusiasm among Shulini University students and faculty.
That was amazing display of teamwork and spirit. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. And before we finish up, let's head over to RJ Aishani with this week's Radio Shulini shows.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I'm Ishani and I will be briefing you about the shows that you can enjoy in Radio Shulini. These include Importance of Time by RJ Ansh, We Are Too Busy by RJ Tanisha, Harry Potter by RJ Divyanshi. So don't forget to tune into Radio Shulini. Awaz Pati Unki.
And that brings us to the end of this week's bulletin. Thank you for joining us for the 286th edition of Shulini TV Weekly News. We will be back next week and with more inspiring stories and achievement from our campus. Till then, stay motivated, stay proud and namaskar.